our school. Korean? Yeah. Korea have
Lots of socks today. Those things. Oh, it's... Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, probably. Where do you buy the maps from?
You want to go that way?
Yeah. Okay. Where do you come in? Oh, it's just right there. I might buy a pair of these socks on the way
Get
back.
some cute socks?
Yeah, for my sister or something.
Oh.
Yeah. This car. Souvenir shop? Definitely oh, they have beer things. Do you think there'll be enough time to hit these up when we come back? It won't be too late?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, some ice cream.
Por acá y ya salida, amor. Incluso una foto de la
Yeah. The culture.
Culture.
Yeah, it's a welcome thing. What, you wanted a group photo on your deck or something?
No, just that's not the photo.
Okay. What do you think of these? These.
Oh. Hey! Get it.
How about that? See that camera?
Oh, what's that? Speaks the love culture any day.
Hey, hey now.
Hey, 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 hey.
Let's not get hasty here. Let's not say something we're gonna regret later.
I'm regretting nothing right now.
Yeah, you're right, but yeah.
Let's not compare cultures.
Yeah, I guess so. Little Prince. Frozen beer. What are these additives there? Squeeze juice.
Frozen beer right now. Killing. When in Rome. Do as the Romans do.
Oh, some nice hats.
For the sunset, so I'm just gonna keep going.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
You can come
Yeah,
back
beer
through
after.
here. Yeah.
Oh, did I feel bad for misleading the girls earlier? It's like, yeah, I think it's down there.
What? You sent them even further down?
Yeah, some further down. I went,
Oh, they're right here.
bridge. Oh.
They're right here. Yeah, stay made it back.
Okay. I thought I misled them.
Oh, you're good.
Oh! Ah, damn. I'll take it from here.
Jimmy.
Oh, I thought you went ahead.
Cats.
Yeah. There's a. Is there a certain point you're looking for?
Well, yeah, I'm looking for that sign. Looked like a good spot.
Oh, right. That's right.
Well, actually, I don't know what it is.
It's gonna be a lengthy video. 6 minutes so far.
Big snowfish.
Yeah. So like Ghibli here.
Thank you.
Here it is.
You found it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. Cool.
Be careful. That's just over there with that truck. Every day. Imagine having sex with that dude. Just, just.
Easy, Kevin.
What? Bucket list things, you know? You gotta keep shit like that in mind. You should.